2002 996 Porsche. But my switch here is not smooth anymore. It's like it's hard to push to turn it. Smooth. Feels like I'm gonna break it. So I know that there's 2 screws over here, another screw hidden inside of here to get in here. But I'm curious if there's something else that I can do before I order a $120 switch to replace this whole thing. Okay, I'm getting the feel that if you pull this out, it does turn better. Then, oh, now it's working better. Still doesn't feel like new. I've always had good luck with this motion, but doing this has helped me. "20 years old. Had a projector beam headlight go out, the oil pressure sensor sending unit, and now the switch, all in the same month." I'm getting to that parking light. Doesn't want to go to that third one. Hey, that right there has definitely made a difference. Yep, jiggling with this definitely made a difference, but I can do better. Check this out. I'm so happy. Look at this. Well, look how now it turns easy like it's supposed to. And I did that without spending a nickel. Let me show you what I did. First, you got to remove this. Look how much smoother that is. Underneath here, you're going to need a little punch out. Punch all. A little sharp point. Ow! Underneath here, there's a little spring detent thing you got to push up on to get the switch to come out. Well, I did it earlier. Here you go. So right inside there, little metal spring keeper. Then, this is all you do. White lithium grease and a little squeeze tube. Stick this in there. It doesn't go far. And give it one little quick spurt. Psst, 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 psst. Dude, I'm not doing it. I've already done it. I'm just showing you how to do it. And then the switch thing just goes right back on. It doesn't get much easier than that once you figure out a way to hack into it. All right, man. See ya.